Erie County SPCA is on a mission to get pets into new homes this weekend. Dogs and cats will be available for free adoption this Saturday as part of a statewide event called Empty the Shelters. News 4's Angela Cristoforos explains how this allows the SPCA to take in more animals impacted by Hurricane Harvey.
Dozens of cats like Emmett will be up for adoption for free this Saturday at the Erie County SPCA. You can help a pet get a forever home and help the SPCA help pets impacted by Hurricane Harvey.
This event helps us make room for more animals, so we're taking in animals from Hurricane Harvey right now, and this helps those animals from the south who would have sat there probably for a while.
From 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. on Saturday, any dog or cat that's at least 1 year old will be up for free adoption. This allows the SPCA to not only help more local animals, but also take in animal rescues from Hurricane Harvey.
We've only taken in 2 so far, but that's okay because things are slowly trickling in, and tomorrow we're expecting 7 or 8 dogs. We probably will get animals from Irma, but right now we haven't been totally notified about when to expect or if to expect, but there's a very good possibility for sure.
The adoption is part of the Empty the Shelters event sponsored by the Bissell Pet Foundation, taking place statewide.
Saturdays are traditionally our busiest day here at the shelter, so if you're planning on coming, I'd get here as early as possible so you have the best selection of new best friends.
Any cat or dog you adopt from the SPCA is fully vaccinated, spayed, and neutered.
We really want to get the animals out of the door because the sooner they're out of here, the less chance they have of becoming stressed.
Diesel's adoption fee is usually $170, but if you come here to the SPCA on Saturday, you can adopt him for free. For more information, go to the Found It on 4 tab of our website at WIVB.com. In West Seneca, Angela Cristoforos, News 4.